Good morning class. Grade 12 entrepreneurship. We are trying to understand about the fourth P of marketing, that is promotion. Today's class will be focused more on the sales strategy only. In the promotion, one of the core components of promotion is first one is sales strategy. Right, what is sales strategy? Yesterday we have discussed in the session that sales strategy is nothing but creating an awareness about the product, pushing the product to the customer. It requires intense knowledge or expertise about the customer, about the market, about the industry, about the technical details of the product, because as and when the customer is having a query or are trying to, and you should understand the needs and wants of the customer, and you should also have enough knowledge about the design structure and the performance of the product. Right. Now, 4 P's of marketing, then under the sales strategy, I told you that there are two types of sales strategy. One is direct sales strategy, another one is indirect sales strategy. When we discuss about direct sales strategy, it is also called as negative strategy, where I mention the name of the competitor to push my product, compare the features of my product with the competitor's product. Features of the competitor's product by mentioning the name of the competitor's product. But when we talk about indirect sales strategy, it is called as positive sales strategy, which is largely followed in India except in politics, where we do not mention the name of the competitor, but rather speak or emphasize more upon our product, the features of our product. We may use generalized terminologies that some companies, few companies, very large companies, so you cannot directly mention the name of the competitor under such a strategy. Now coming to the components of sales strategy. There are 4 important components of sales strategy, that is product placement, promotion, testimonials and core selling strategies. Now for us, for the syllabus, we will be covering these 3 parts. Core selling strategies is nothing but enabling giving customized products, giving one-to-one attention or solving the query and working on the improvisation of the product. Right, now we'll talk about product placement. Product placement is nothing but placing the product in a platform which is very accessible to the customer. It could be social media platform, it could be a retail distribution outlet, or it could be anywhere. Nowadays, social media is offering a fantastic platform for entrepreneurs and businessmen to interact with the customer. They blog, they tweet, they give messages through Instagram or other kind of techniques or modes where the communication is practically possible. I am able to interact with the customer on a day-to-day basis by trying to check with the customer. One classic example is your flight services in India. You can tweet and chat with the person. Banks nowadays are asking for a chat option. So all these facilities are available. Product placement is nothing but placing the product or making the product available in a platform which is very accessible to the customer. It could be anything. It could be social media, it could be a physical product, it could be media like newspaper, television, anywhere, and creating awareness about the product. Then comes the promotion. Under promotion we have ATL, BTL and TTL, about which I will be covering in the next session. Promotion is nothing but intensive propaganda or intensive awareness or spreading the message about the product in the market, about which we will learn detailed. There are 3 critical ways: above the line, below the line and through the line, which we will be discussing in the next class. Coming to testimonials. What is testimonial? Testimonial is nothing but you must have seen the review or feedback of customers in Amazon. Whenever you try to buy a product through Snapdeal, Flipkart, Amazon, or for any online shopping portal, right, or even in the physical store, you would like to see the customer review about the product. How many stars the product has got? How is the sales service? In fact, every time you shop, they do ask you whether you are satisfied with the service that is given. So that is testimonial. Testimonial enables us to have first-hand information about some customer who has already used the product. So testimonial is very, very important. Right? Testimony is very, very important. Yes, I'll tell you one example. Recently during the lockdown time, when I was going through, for few of my friends were asking me about how do I earn online. There are so many advertisements coming up. There is one site called testimonial site where they give you a product, they ask you to experience the product, and you have to give the feedback about the product, whether you liked it or how to improvise the product, and you get paid for it. Right? The details of which I'll share to you later. But this is a classic thing that companies are intensively spending money for getting the feedback, for improvising their product. Testimonial is a classic way. Whenever you want to shop anything, you look at the customer reviews. Customer reviews is referred to as testimonials here. right? Then comes the core selling strategy, about which we will discuss detailedly. So in today's class, what did you understand? We understood the sales strategy is creating awareness about the product through word of mouth, through advertising, or through any kind of medium. It requires intensive knowledge about the industry, market, technical things about the product, everything. You have to understand the needs and wants and customers, etc, etc, etc. And then comes your types of sales strategy. It could be direct or indirect. Direct is without mentioning the name of the competitor. Indirect is without mentioning the name of the competitor. Then components are product placement, promotion, testimonials, cold selling strategy. And the product placement, you can give examples of social media, placing the product in a place where it is available. In fact, I'll tell you, there are certain products like Wow, Skincraft, Mama Earth. All these cosmetic industries are extensively expanding in social media platforms. Then comes your promotion. Promotion is above the line, below the line, or through the line. That we will look into detailedly. Testimonials are customer reviews or feedbacks that are given by the customer either online or through any other medium that is adopted by the customer. Then comes the cold selling strategies. See children, don't you think that whenever this is testimonials is very easy. Or traditional example I'll give you. When we have to watch a movie, don't we go and look into the review of the movie, or we see the videos or television where they give the review of the movie, you know, explaining about the movie, whether they like the movie, what the audience already liked. First day when the audience go to the theatre and come back and give their feedback about the movie, you decide whether to go or whether not to go, right? So that is all testimonials, right? Now in this you have to understand one important concept, students. There are two things when you do sales strategy. I can say that the function of sales strategy refers to two things. One is for an existing customer, another one is for a potential customer. Okay, you can't have a same approach for both. You can't have a same sales strategy or same sales approach for an existing one and a potential one, because here the aim is to retain. Here my aim is to retain. Wait, I'll rub the board and write properly. See, when we talk about sales strategy, there are two kinds of two approaches to sales. Forget about the direct and indirect. There are two types of customers. When we talk about the function of sales strategy, one is an existing customer. Okay, the other one is a potential customer. That is, he is not yet your customer, but he may become your customer if you have adequate marketing skill and if you are capable enough to push the product to the customer or convince the customer to buy your product. Now comes an existing customer. Here the aim is to retain the customer so that he makes repeat sales. Okay, and here the aim of this thing is to attract, try to solve the needs and wants. Here you have already solved the needs and wants, students. Here existing customer, you already solved his needs and wants. That is the reason he is your customer. Now you have to try to retain him by giving him better discounts, by giving him offers, by giving him combos, or by trying to give other promotional techniques you have to adopt here. Your core selling strategies works a lot. Here also it works, but here you are going to create awareness and get inculcate a desire in the mind of customer so that he gets attracted towards your product and tries to purchase it. Right? Once he purchases, he becomes an existing customer. You have to try to retain him. So you need definitely to have approaches should be two. You can't have the same sales approach to an existing one and a potential one. Right? I hope this session has made some sense to you. So you have understood what is sales strategy. Tomorrow's class we'll have a very interesting session about promotion. That is a core second important. After product placement we had promotion, right? That promotion part we will be seeing in the next class. That is ATL, BTL and TTL, right? Thank you and have a nice day.